This is a bear hip shift variation, 2 parts. We're going to focus on a little bit of a lateral shift side to side, and then also focusing on a little bit of that rotation and moving the pelvis around a fixed femur. So grabbing a small yoga block, probably not anything higher than this. I'm going to set up with my left knee on the yoga block. I'm going to allow my right knee to drop long towards the ground, so I'm dropping it long, so I'm a little bit offset. I'm going to take this left hip and I'm going to kind of sashay to the side. So I'm practicing kind of what it feels like, because we don't want to be hiked out to the side. So we want to make sure that that left hip is in a more neutral position and I'm not hiked, so you can kind of practice hiking, unhiking, sashaying to the side. And we want to be in about 90 degrees of hip flexion. So depending on your setup, you don't want to be back here, so you might need to walk your hands out a little bit further away. So I have my left knee on the block, I'm in about 90 degrees of hip flexion. I'm gonna allow that right knee to drop long. So from behind, we'll have this sort of offset position. Right knee drops long. You're gonna watch that you're not hiked to the side, so you kind of unhike that hip. Now from this position, I'm going to think about inhaling in this position, feeling some length through the back side of the pelvic floor. Exhale, I'm just going to kind of shift over towards that right side. I don't want to hike this out to the side either, so have that shift. Watch I'm not hiking the hip. Inhale here, exhale, shift to the right. Inhale. Feel that stretch and that length kind of right through this area between like the butt crack and the side right here. Exhale, just shift over to that right side. Inhale, and then exhale, shift. And now from that position, now I'm going to work on, do that about 5 to 10 times, and then I'm going to work on that shift of the pelvis over the femur. So in this position with that right leg long, I'm going to inhale, and then exhale, bring the knee up. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. So the first step is getting that shift side to side, which, bring that right knee down. Inhale as you're kind of in that position, and then exhale as you kind of move over to the right, and then inhale in that shifted position over on the left side, and make sure you're getting that movement at the pelvis as well, right? And then inhale, and it's not just your upper body moving, shifting over to that right. Inhale, shift. Exhale, pelvis moves too. So it's that side to side movement. Inhale and exhale, and then you go into that shift.